Ready for a fresh look on your Viber profile? Learn how to easily change your profile picture and give your messaging presence a new identity. Changing your profile picture in Viber is a simple way to update your appearance, reflect your mood, or simply ensure your contacts can easily recognize you. You can do this directly within the Viber app settings. So, from the Viber app, tap on More. There, tap on the icon with the camera by the top, above your name or number. Then tap on the smaller camera icon. That opens up the Edit Profile Photo prompt. Select the option that best applies to you. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting a photo from our phone gallery. So, from there, all we'll have to do is just pick a photo, crop it, then tap on Save. And just like that, we'll be done. Do note that it might take a few seconds for all changes to appear across all devices. But that's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!